Hey friends, welcome back. In this video, I will show you how to fix the Steam error. Game is already running. Let's get started. Step 1. End background processes. First, right-click on the taskbar and open Task Manager. Go to the Details tab. In the search box, type Easy Anti-Cheat. If you find any process, right-click on it and select End Task. Now search for Steam. End all Steam-related processes one by one. Close Task Manager, reopen Steam, and try launching the game again. Step 2. Fix game files. If the issue is still not fixed, open Steam, go to Library, and right-click on the affected game. Select Manage, then browse Local Files. If you see a folder named Mods, delete it. Next, right-click on the game's exe file and open Properties. Go to the Compatibility tab. Uncheck Run this program as an administrator, then click Apply and OK. Now look for a file named Install Script and delete it. After this, launch the game directly from the exe file, not from Steam or the desktop shortcut. Step 3. Compatibility Mode Last Fix. If the problem still continues, open the exe file properties again. Go to Compatibility, enable Run this program in compatibility mode, and select Windows 7. Click Apply and launch the game. If Windows 7 does not work, try Windows 8. That's it. By following these steps, the game is already running, error should be fixed. If this video helped you, please subscribe and turn on notifications. Thanks for watching.
Rearrange them. Staying on pace, running the race. Life is a chase, I don't want a place. I wanna be first, work till it hurts. Dehydrated thirst till I'm in a hearse. High ambitions in the right mind can take you so far. It's like you lived a few lifetimes. Take off from a break off from the weak minds. They can stay soft, you can